When it comes to automobile, I always had an affection to it. So in today's video, I'm gonna meet you to my favorite machine from the world of automobile. Now let's not just talk about it, let's go for a ride first.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. I could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplified deep inside, once I feel your skin on mine. Though I try, I can't hide all the ways I feel inside. You're everything I want in life. She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. Got a body.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever and whenever you're watching this video. This is your friend Devas here and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Feel the Automobile. Now in today's video, I'm gonna talk about the things I love the most about my motorcycle. As you might know, this is Yamaha R15 version 2.0. Okay, so first most thing I love about this motorcycle is the looks. Definitely it's the looks. The way it looks is super stunning, and it's not just famous in the youngsters, but no matter from what age group the people are watching at us, they just cannot ignore this motorcycle. And I still remember the day when I saw this motorcycle first time. I know I was in school, probably in the 10th standard. The Yamaha R15 version 1 was just launched and a guy bought this motorcycle, and oh my god, the way it looked, I was just stunned by looking this thing. And the way you sit on this motorcycle is not you are riding on the motorcycle, it's like you are sitting inside the motorcycle. The cockpit, the ergonomics, the way it looks, the whole motorcycle design is inspired from its elder siblings like R6 and R1, a 1 liter class motorcycle, and everything is just taken from that, whether it's the front headlamps, the tail lamp, the seats, the riding posture, the instrument cluster is also, it's not exactly the same but something similar to that. The clip-ons, everything is just like that 1 liter motorcycle. And personally, this is my opinion, I don't know what you guys think, that the previous generation R15 and the R series motorcycles were looking much better, and it's something which I like the most as compared to the recent generation motorcycle. What do you guys think? Please comment your thoughts in the comment section down below. The another thing I love the most about this motorcycle is the engine. On the sheet it's a 150cc motorcycle, so that is not a huge engine for a sports motorcycle, but believe me, this is not the same 150cc motorcycle engine which you are seeing on other. This is so refined, this engine is so refined, and a 150cc motorcycle can easily do the speed of 100. Yes, this is so refined, there is no vibrations at all. Plus this motorcycle is completely fully fed motorcycle, so the wind blast and the aerodynamics work so cool. And I didn't saw those bumps. If you want to cruise, if you want to do long rides, this is the perfect motorcycle. This is the perfect engine that will not get stressed, that will not make you feel tired. This will just run so smooth. The next thing I love about this motorcycle is the riding ergonomics. Now, being a sports bike, this is little bit committed, and the more weight you'll find is on front side, so it's more of a 60-40 weight distribution. You'll feel more weight on the front, but this is not that much committed or that much aggressive like on the KTM R series. Those motorcycles are just too difficult to ride for anything more than 10 or 20 kilometers. You'll quickly suddenly start feeling weight on your palm and your back. At the first the first time when I bought this motorcycle, I did 110 kilometers of ride continuously without taking a break, and I felt nothing. Yes, I felt a little bit of pain on my back, but you can get used to this kind of riding posture. So another thing I love the most about this motorcycle is the way this bike handles. This is one of the best motorcycles in terms of handling which I have ridden till the day. I have ridden so many KTMs, but this is the best. The level of confidence this motorcycle provides is so awesome. This feels so planted at any corner, no matter at what speed you are going. If you want to get into the sports motorcycle, this should be your first motorcycle. This is how you can learn about how to ride a sports motorcycle, how to get used to with this kind of ergonomics, how to make corners, and this is all in one pack. The next most amazing thing about this motorcycle is reliability. Yes, Yamaha motorcycles are the most reliable motorcycle I have personally felt till now, because in the past I used to own few Bajaj motorcycles, and for Bajaj motorcycles, those are the most unreliable motorcycles. Every couple of 100 kilometers you will have to do some tweaks on your motorcycles. The chain will start making some noise, the fairing will start making some noise. Everything is felt just so scattered. That's not the case with this motorcycle. It's been almost more than a year, and the times I have visited service center is one. Yes, I have visited the service center only once since I have bought this motorcycle. Even though being a fully fat motorcycle, there is not a single part in this motorcycle which make any vibration or any noise. See how fun this motorcycle to ride. This is really a fun motorcycle, believe me. Plus, this is a sports bike. The last thing I cannot forget to mention is, overall this is a sports motorcycle. The ergonomics is like a sports bike. The way it runs is like a sports bike. You can cruise at the speed of 100 kilometers an hour for all day long without any hassle. This motorcycle has top speed of more than 130 kilometers an hour, and still you will get a fuel economy of 40 to 45 kilometers per liter. How can you deny that? I know the people who are into sports motorcycle, they don't look that much into how much mileage your motorcycle is giving, but 40 to 45 for this kind of motorcycle, this is the best mileage. You can take this motorcycle for long distance without worrying about refueling, or you don't have to think much about where your next fuel stop is going to be. It has almost the range of more than 500 kilometers, with the full tank, and that is, I think, more than enough.
So that's it for the today's video, guys. If you like this video, then please press the like button below, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel. Also don't forget to follow me on the Instagram with the same name, Filthy Automobile. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.